He fucking that shit up. Oh God.
Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean. Eat, ugly.
I'll be a karma if you don't wanna face it. Try to two-time me and I promise that you'll hate me. Anybody cross me, I'ma take a vacation. When I come back, I'll be sorry that I made it. Got receipts.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a twist out on dry hair, completely dry, so I'm not going to be using water at all, okay? The products I'll be using today are my Hawaiian Silky line, so I'm really excited. It smells so good, so let's go ahead and get into it. So today I'm going to be using my Hawaiian Silky line, which I really love it, like for real. I love it. Like I'm almost too in love with these products because I've been killing this leave-in. Hopefully y'all can see it a little. Look at this, looking nice. So this is their caramel milk leave-in that I'm going to be using today. The collection that I'm using by them is the triple butter, as you can see. So I'll also be using their caroling buttercream. I love me a buttercream. Okay, and the package is really cute and it smells really good. So I'm gonna show you the consistency of this because I can right now. It's like very whipped, very creamy. Love it. And then as you can see, it's a little bit thinner for the leave-in. So in addition to that, of course, as always, we got our wild growth oil, which today is really not just wild growth oil. I'm gonna show you what I got in there. So I also got this Brana Rose Jamaican black castor oil. I just got this because I needed something that sprayed, and they really don't spray that good. It sprays in like a single stream, and I did not like that. So I'll mix it in here, and that's what we're working with today. So let's go ahead and get into this video. First, I start off by parting a small section of my hair, putting the other side into a little ponytail, and then I start to brush. Most of the time, I detangle first and then add my leave-in, but I had already added it before I put the other hair in the ponytail. So now I'm just adding my buttercream and oil, and I'm starting to twist. So I'm just doing a simple 2-strand twist, nothing too crazy, nothing too wild, okay? So y'all should be able to keep up with this video. So here, all I was showing you is that the twist does not have any excess products. There will be some as we go later on into the video because I get a little heavy-handed. But, you know, other than that, it should be simple, easy to dry.
Who told you that you can't be?
So listen, I know they're big in the back, but it's fine. They are not going to be seen that much anyway. They're just kind of a basis for me. As you see, I get smaller and smaller along the way, so don't even worry about these.
Told you once I felt you in my memory. Who got you fooled? Just know you'll never have to leave.
Loyalty hard to find nowadays, like $20 and stuck to your clothes. I'm sorry I missed out on holidays, I was just plotting on spinning the globe. I'm sorry that most of my problems are brought up whenever you ready to go. I've been tossed out and dropped in my low, I've been brought out and token for sure. Caught in their vibe and it changed like.
So, I know y'all see the damage, okay? I'm just trying to start this channel with a nice clean slate. I want y'all to understand everything about me and why y'all be seeing what y'all be seeing. So what had happened was I had gotten my hair straightened, blown out. It was looking nice, right, everything. A couple days later, I was like, I'm always wearing this straight. Let me try something different. Y'all, tell me why I done start curling my hair at 12 o'clock at night. It looked fire. So I'm up taking videos, pictures. I was like, shoot, this is giving. Let's do this again tomorrow. So I recurled my hair for the next day, wanted to take pictures, all that. After I washed my hair, like 2 days later, I was like, bruh, no freaking way. I done damaged my hair. Curling it, trying to re-straighten it, like, I was crying. Like, you can ask my boyfriend, I was down bad. But it's fine. Like, we all have our moments or shortcomings in this natural journey. So at this point, it is what it is. I'm living with it. I'm fine. But I just wanted y'all to know before y'all try to do me on YouTube, okay? Don't do me.
Tell them that you not them. Tell them that you not them. She got me.
Two eyes, I know you're right. You have me. I told you once I felt you in my memory. Who got you fooled? Just know you'll never have to leave. Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they notice it. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. 'Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Residents in love with yeah. We be going through these same old things every time. When I stop communicating, you hitting my line, asking about my whereabouts and if you still on mine. But I don't want to hear your questions. You just waste my time. Like, where you at? How you been? Are you solo or with him? Can we just chill for a minute? We don't need to do nothing. But when you around, I can't seem to get you off me. Don't care about my mind, baby, you just want my body. And I don't got time to fuck with players that's just corny. I need someone real who gon' let me go support me. Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. 'Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones. You know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. 'Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you gon' have to prove that you a real one, real one.
You think you can get it, but you won't, yeah. You think you can get it, but you won't, yeah. You think you can get it, but you won't, yeah. You think you can get it, but you won't, yeah.
Yeah, all of these dudes is the same. Lying and cheating and gambling. All the love that I give them can never take blame for all of the heartache that they put me through. Play with my heart like a game, but I learned from my past. Need to treat me right, give me better days. Put aside your pride when I feel a certain way about the way we were communicating. Try to work it out, but you weren't changing. And it just made me crazy, yeah. 'Cause you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. 'Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones. You know that I only roll with real ones.
All right, I'm finally finished with this twist out. Can y'all believe this took me over an hour, bruh? I'm just playing, just an hour exactly. But still, didn't think it was gonna take that long. Anyways, I low-key could wear these twists like this, but I'm not going to because I'm going to lunch tomorrow. And I'd rather just wear it out. So now I'm just getting my bonnet, of course, styled by Tay. Going ahead and putting that on my head, and then I'm ready for bed.
honestly, for me, this is my final look. Very much fine with how they look now, and I really don't want to separate at all because this definition it's like I love it. So as always, go ahead and put my bonnet on, styled by Tay. Actually, I'm gonna put on, I don't have my baby bonnet back here, but I do have a baby bonnet, and that's really the one that I like to shape my hair right now because it's a little shorter, so I'll be back. A juvenile bonnet. I use this now because my hair, it used to be a lot longer than it was. Well, it used to be longer than it was. I ain't gonna say a ton. And some people don't think that it was longer, but I swear it was longer. But maybe my hair just has like started back getting a little bit healthier too. So it's shrinking. I don't know, child. But anyway, I like to use this little bonnet to set my styles. Like, I don't know what it does. It worked for me, so I'll be doing it. But again, these are the products that I used. Triple Butter collection by Hawaiian Silky, their buttercream, and their leave-in, as well as my beautiful Wild Growth / JVC oil. So I'll be back in a second with the final look, and it's probably gonna look the same way, but I'm gonna be back anyway. I'm back with the final product. As I said earlier, it looks basically the same, just like I thought it would. It usually does help to shape more drier styles and things like that. So when I do dry twist styles or dry flat twist, anything like that with no products, I generally use it, and it looks a lot better after I shape it. So I will have to do one of those videos for you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna get out, head to campus, get some work done for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. I am back with my day 2 hair. As you can see, the definition is still there. It definitely decreases as time goes on, but I like it because I would rather have volume some days, and this is one of those days. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.
Comment down below some of your favorite products to do your twist out on, and let me know. See you in my next one.